This is lesson 1.8 for course 2, multiplying and dividing integers. So in your notebook, title it lesson 1.8, multiplying and dividing integers. All right, so today in class, we made a foldable, and it had the 3 different instances on the front, and then inside the covers were some examples. So if you want to take out that foldable, you can always use this anytime you're taking a quiz, doing homework, practice problems, anytime. So just remember that multiplying and dividing positive integers, that a positive times a positive is positive. Now, it's not just always multiply either right here. It can be also divide. So make sure it's both of those. And then a negative times a negative is a positive, or a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So if they're the same, they're both always positive. If you have 1 and 1, so a positive and a negative, or a negative and a positive, your answer is always going to be negative if you have 1 of each. All right, so here is a rule. When multiplying and dividing, and there is an even number of negative signs, the answer is positive. So if there's an even number of negative signs, the answer is positive. If there is an odd number of negative signs, the answer is negative. So you might want to pause and jot this down in your notes. This is one of the main things for your notes, since we already did the foldable. So make sure you have this. All right, and now pause the video and do these problems on your own. There's only 4, so try these problems and then we'll go over. All right, so we have 9 times negative 5. So this is a positive 9 times a negative. So a positive and a negative make a negative 45 for my answer. I only have 1 negative sign, so my answer is negative. Negative 63 divided by negative 7. If I have a negative divided by a negative, my answer is a positive 9. Here I have negative 11 times negative 11. If there's parentheses, that automatically means multiplication. So negative 11 times negative 11 is a positive 121. And then the last one is 42 divided by negative 6. I have a positive divided by a negative, so my answer is negative 7. Just some quick examples. Make sure you have the rule. Make sure you have this rule, and you have these examples in your notes. And that's it. Quick and easy today.